I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the $50,000 Home Makeover Contest winner 2016 Victoria Miller here on Ordway Drive in eastern side of Fort Wayne. Now, the job we did from a standpoint of design, when we came to the home, the homeowners had already had the roof replaced and the windows replaced, and we knew the brick was going to stay. So one of the things we decided to do, we wanted to blend the siding in with the roof and the brick. Now the new siding technology with our super polymers, we can make a really deep siding color. In the past, you couldn't do that, so most siding colors were pastel. Because if you made them dark, the colors would bleed out and they'd warp and fade and so on and so forth. So we went with a darker color to actually supplement and complement the brick and roof. Then we'd have to decide on the trim, and we went with the white colored trim. We want some darker shutters and white downspouts and gutters, and we pulled everything together. So from a design standpoint, we always want to take a look when we start the job of designing the exterior replacement of the home, the outside envelope. We want to start out with what's going to stay and what can we blend it in with. You can see that the finished product compared to the original is absolutely beautiful. The homeowners were super happy with the work we did, and you can sign up for the $50,000 home makeover by going to keyexteriors.com and simply filling out the form. Or you can call us at 492-8062 for an in-home estimate, and you can visit us at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard and talk to one of our friendly staff in person.